Hello, Mr. Newport. I got your lovely sorry, I got distracted looking at it. 6139 6010 early proof mark. It's a proof with what with the Chinese English day wheel, what I think of as a Hong Kong setup. It's original. Still got your two-piece Mark II sweep. I like how the loom has gone just a little tan. Isn't that neat? It looks like your hour hand got damaged at a certain point, and it was bent and then bent back, and it also damaged the loom right there. I don't know if you can really see that right at the base of that hand. I'll flatten that out as best I can. I'll see if I can save that loom. I'll do everything I can to keep it the way it's supposed to be. If I can save it, I will, and I'll do everything I can to save it. Were those hands re-loomed? Or is that original loom? Oh, somebody was messing around in there. I had one just like this so many years ago. I wish I'd kept it. It was a nice watch. Case back is loose. What do we got? Well, we got at least one service mark in there. It's interesting. Normally when these get serviced, those one-piece hands get swapped out for a two-piece. But not today. Come on, are we going to power up? Fine, I'll force wind you. What the heck? Come on. You don't want to go? Now that is something. That's something we don't see every single day. A Seiko that does not want to run. Okay, it'll run with the... It'll sort of run. Chronograph stopped, it won't run at all. It kind of wants to run with the chronograph going. Something is amiss. She's not a runner. The rest of the watch looks intact. Yikes. It's got its A winding bridge. It's at full power and it will not run. So that's really something. There she kind of blows. It looks like your hair. The watch is really dirty. I can't tell if there's going to be any more issues inside. It's unusual to see one of these that doesn't run. This was, it's kind of running, but it's really dirty. It clearly needs service. Your hairspring looks a little funky to me, but I'll be curious to get into this and see this watch. Clearly it needs service, so I'm not even going to worry about that. Come on, let's get on here. It's a nice watch. It's got its issues. It lived its life. I don't know, if it were my watch, I mean, I'd service it, replace the crystal. I'd firm up that hand loom. I don't know that I'd really clean up the hand loom. I'll be curious to see what the deal with the hand loom is. Dial printing is nice. The minute counter wheel is not aligned correctly. It just needs to be gone through. Which, I'm not sure what we're going to find with the running, not running. It could just be that it's incredibly dirty. But we got it to run a little bit, and it definitely needs service. So I can't see anything else right now. Well, let's see. Come on, let's go. Let's see if it'll push a minute counter over. Yep. So your chronograph wheel's holding. Hey, I got some good news for you. That's about it. I wish I could give you a more definitive answer about what it is that we're looking at, but got to look at the loom. Got to look at that hour hand. Watch needs service. It's not running at all with the chronograph stopped. It's probably just really dirty, but regular service. Okay. That, I think, is that.